Okay, a 20 kg cylinder is released from rest at h is equal to 0. Find the stiffness constant K of each spring so that its motion momentarily stops when h is equal to 0.5. Each spring has an unstretched length of 1 meter. So this is how a mass of 20 kgs is connected by two springs. It is given to you that initially the mass was here at C connected with both the springs, and then it is moving from C to D. So from h is equal to 0, that means from C it is moving to h is equal to 0.5 meters. Okay, you need to find the springs constant K. So your position 1 is C, position 2 is D. So it is moving from C to D. The entire mechanism is moving from C to D. So we'll apply work energy principle for the mass and the springs moving from C to D. First, we'll try to find out what is the work done by the springs. Okay. For that, we need, since the body is connected to the springs, we'll be using this formula. That is half K L1 minus L0 square minus L2 minus L0 square. So let us find out what is L1, L2 and L0. L0 is the unstretched length of the spring 1 meter, which is given to you in the sum. L1 is the length of the spring in position 1. So when it is in position 1, the spring is horizontal. So this CB is 2 meters. So it is L1 is 2 meters. And L2 is in position 2 when the springs have reached the point D. So this DB is L2. L2 is DB. Here I have calculated L2. I am using the right angle triangle. This is 2. This is 0.5. So I am getting the value of DB as 2.061. So now I know what is L0, L1, L2. I'll find out the work done by the spring and multiply it by 2 because we have 2 springs. Okay. So this is what I get. Work done for 2 springs. Now work done by this 20 kg. So it is moving from C to D. mgh is the work done by the 20 kg. So 20 into 9.81 into 0.5. This is the work done by the 20 kg mass. Now what is my work energy principle? Total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. So total work done is work done by the springs plus work done by the mass is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Now v and u both are 0 because it's starting from rest at C and coming to rest at D. It is given to you momentarily stops when h is equal to 0.5. So at C the velocity is 0, at D the velocity is 0. So v and u both are 0. So equate this to 0 to get the value of K.